Now that we have looked at data flow and structural modeling, let us look also at what is known as algorithmic or behavioral modeling. Okay, so now I am going to talk about behavioral or algorithmic, okay, or sequential modeling. Okay, we are going to see how do we define an architecture using sequential modeling style. Okay, so we already know sequential modeling, each step is executed one by one, each statement is executed one by one, while in data flow modeling all the statements are executed concurrently. Okay, whenever your RHS side signal changes, the entire block statements are executed concurrently. Now in sequential modeling you have something called a process. Okay, so all the sequential statements are embedded within a process. All sequential statements are within a process. Okay, but just realize one thing, your process in itself is going to be concurrent. So what you can have is, you can have some sequential, rather you can have some concurrent statement. Okay, you can have another concurrent statement, and you can have a process, and you can have another concurrent statement. Okay, so all these are, each one of them in individuality are being executed concurrently, but the statements within your process are being executed sequentially. So your process in itself is a concurrent statement. Okay, so we have talked about concurrent statements over here, right? Concurrent statements. So I am just going to add that your process is also a concurrent statement. Okay, process, okay, set of sequential statement is also a concurrent statement. Basically it's a block, but you can call it as a statement. Okay, so we are now going to talk about what is a process and how do we write sequential statements in it. Okay, so I am here. So how do you define a process? Your process definition looks something like this. You have a process. Okay, now inside the process, with brackets, this is optional. Okay, you provide the sensitivity list. What is sensitivity list? It is the list of signals which affect your process. Okay, so whenever these signals are changed or are affected, your process is triggered. Okay, then you have an optional is, I'm just going to write that sensitivity list is what? It is the list of signals that affect the process. So what happens is, an event on these signals triggers the process. An event on these signals, event is any change, okay, triggers the process. Okay, just like you had the RHS side signal changing triggers the concurrent statements, you have your sensitivity list signals triggering the process. Okay, just for you to recollect, I have written it over there. Now you are talking about how to define a process. So this is, you have process, you have sensitivity list, then you have is, over here you have any